Om Gang Ganapataye Namaha clears the path. But what about the specific boulder on that path? The big project, the crucial exam, the important meeting. Today we'll look at the powerful mantra for success, which is Vakratunda Mahakaya mantra. Now let's understand its powerful imagery. Vakratunda, the one with the curved trunk, Ganesha's power to uproot any obstacle. Mahakaya, the immense bodied one, his all pervading presence. Surya Koti Samaprabha, whose radiance is like 10 million suns. The power to illuminate our mind and path with clarity and brilliance. How is this specific? Neuroscience shows that setting a precise intention activates different brain networks than a general wish. You have to be intentional. When you chant this mantra with a clear goal in mind, you engage the prefrontal cortex, your brain's CEO, for planning and focus. This aligns your mental energy, making the mantra a laser beam, not a flashlight. The laya and the pronunciation are key. Repeat with me: Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprabha. Focus on the long A in Kaya and Sarvada. This mantra has a commanding, majestic rhythm that builds internal focus and determination. Now let's practice. Set your sankalpa to begin with. Be clear with the intention. Whisper or think in your mind. May this chanting clear the path for state your specific goal. Now let's begin. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। This mantra is a tool for action. Use it before starting any significant work. कोई भी प्रेजेंटेशन या स्टडी सेशन या कोई भी मीटिंग हो इम्पोर्टेंट, उसके पहले आप इस मंत्र को कर सकते हैं. It programs the mind for focused execution. Subscribe for more targeted tools from the Mantra Science Lab.